It's a follow-up to the last video where I was showing about the bookmark and tab tracker, should I say. So we've got too many open tabs and bookmarks and we want to tidy everything up. So I've added a link search now. So for example, if I want to look up cache, it says there's no matches here. Well, the solution to that is to put the same thing here, and it tells us what we need to put into the search for it to come up. So it doesn't need to be capitalized, but it does need to be correct. So therefore we have the link that comes up. So just show you again, if we're looking for, say, gain, and it will say no matches. But if we put gain here into the name search, it will tell us that we need to put this here, gain higher ground, and that will give us the link.